All right, this is Ryder. Ryder, how old are you?
9.
9? Ryder, why don't you give us your best lap? 1, 2, 3, go. That's just gonna happen.
Hey, pick that big rock up, buddy, will you? That big rock right there in the middle? There you go. There you go. Yep. Thank you.
You're doing good. All right, that's one lap. All right, try to do another one. And just stay calm, relax, and just do a nice lap. Good job, buddy. All right, I'm gonna put that on a video, and we'll time your laps, okay?
Yay.
Was there a time today when you got you took first place?
I don't know. That was like
Yeah, I think you took first place, buddy. There's one race you took first place.
1 or 2 races ago.
One, it could be, might have been 7 races. Good job, man. Darren, how old are you?
9.
You're 9?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna start now. Go ahead. Nice. You stuck that landing. Ryder and Darren are going to do a 2-lap race. All right. If you wipe out, you're upside down, you're out. All right. On your mark, get set, go. Keep it under control, boys. If you go too fast, you can wipe out. All right. Darren's about a quarter track ahead of you. Uh-oh. You're still in it, Darren. Oh, Darren wins. Oh, you do a little victory donut. All right, I see you, Darren. All right, good job.